How to log into your Costco ESS Employee Account. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can log into your Costco ESS Employee Account. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Chrome browser and then search for Costco Employee ESS Login. The first search result is your answer. Simply tap on it and then you'll be greeted by a page such as this one. Once you're here, simply tap on the option called Current Employee Login and then you'll be greeted by this page. Here you need to type in your username and then your password. Also, one thing to remember is that employers or alumni use Costco account LAN ID, whereas vendors and suppliers use email address. Then, if you have trouble signing in, simply tap on the option called Trouble Signing In, which will lead you to this page over here where you can log into your account without your password by using the links that are given for Costco employees, Costco alumni, or vendors and suppliers. Simply tap on the one which you are and then you can log in. And there you go. It is as simple as that to log into your Costco ESS employee account. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.